Translate allows you to communicate with someone who speaks a different language. Select the person's language at the right top corner. Yours is selected by default. You can type in a sentence or paste a long paragraph of text. It will automatically make the translation. Pressing the play button will read the translated text.
Vamos a la playa mañana.
Plenty of languages are available to choose. If you tap on a word, the embedded dictionary will provide a definition and usage examples. Tap the microphone and speak a phrase to have it translated and read out loud in the target language.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bus station?
Excusez-moi, où se trouve la gare routière la plus proche?
By pressing the star icon, the recent translation can be saved in your favorites for later use. The Favorites button shows your saved and recent translations. Hold your iPhone in landscape to enter conversation mode. Make sure to tap the microphone button when each person talks so the iPhone can do the translation for each one of you.
Are you going to the beach tomorrow?
Tu vas à la plage demain?
Je ne sais pas encore.
I don't know yet.
Okay, keep me posted.
Ok, tiens-moi au courant.
To enter attention mode, hold your iPhone in landscape and tap the expand icon. The last translation will be easier to read. Language can be saved on your iPhone just by tapping the down arrow next to it. Translations that use offline languages are on device and will not use your internet data. Apple cannot access them. To delete a downloaded language, simply swipe left and tap the delete button. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.